This is chin-ups and it is the one of the best back exercise. Wait. It is one of the best bicep exercise which I have done from past 6 months. But here is the problem. People often tag chin-ups as a back exercise. And yes, you are absolutely right because both chin-ups and pull-ups are vertical pulling exercises and both are similar movements and they usually bias your back more than your biceps. And this is the reason why mostly people don't do chin-ups. But in the end of the video, I will be giving you 2 tweaks. So before that, let's talk about why chin-ups. First thing, you can load up chin-ups so much. You can put so much weight on it like 20 kg, 40 kg, 50 kg and it well transfers to your pull-up strength too. Second thing, you can do anywhere you want, like really anywhere. You can do it either in park or in gym. You can do anywhere. So you got the two reasons. Firstly, you can load it up more than your curls and and there is accessibility. So now you will be thinking when to do chin-ups. I mainly do perform like a compound movement because chin-ups include multiple groups of muscles and I do it as the first exercise in my bicep routine. And after it, I do a isolation movement like incline curls. And I think that's all you need for your biceps. And for 2 sets for this each exercises, you don't need more exercises for biceps because it's a small muscle group and it's better to focus more on back more than your biceps. Okay, here is my 2 tweaks for the chin nerves which I was talking early in the video. So the first tweak, take a narrow grip. Why? Because it will focus more on biceps rather than your back. And the second tweak, while doing this movement, think of that you are giving a a header like you do in a football game. And that's it. That's the only thing I do for my biceps. Yes, I just do only chin-ups, not more than this. And I think I have seen significant growth on my biceps. So let's meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.